I've never seen anything like this. Good morning. Today we're at Salton Point. The boat all ready? Let's do this. We're off. A couple nice sailboats. Look at all those swans. Hey guys. I can't even see your line. Morning.
You might get caught with a couple strings.
I only see one.
There's a little one right here too.
Okay, yep. Is there no place without graffiti? Anywhere? Another kayaker. This must be Gaspee Point. Morning, guys.
Hey, how's it going?
Doing good.
Good.
Is this Gaspee Point?
It is.
Okay. I figured it's not Conimicut already.
Oh no.
Looks like we're about halfway from Gaspee Point behind us to Conimicut Point. Imagine all the data that thing's collecting. A couple jet skis hauling ass. Get a kick out of how sound travels. People are just little specks on the beach, and yet I can hear their voices from here. There's one large seagull. Look how far the low tide extends out there. Let's go check it out. That boat's moving right along. The waves were surfing me a minute ago. Well, I'm back on the sandbar after paddling out to the lighthouse. The water was sketchy on the east side of it. I had to get out of there. Seeing little fishies jumping up here. Just about back at Gaspee Point. Yeah, I noticed here there's a little walkway along the rocks. That's back where we were. Talking with a guy earlier, he said there's a public launch here, and I do see a ramp over here. Right on the other side of this parking lot. Gotta go all the way around though. Another batch of swans up ahead. I've never seen anything like this. Whole convoy. Coming down the home stretch. Oh shit. That's gonna leave a mark.